1/3 of Americans now say they want to leave the country within the next decade. A quarter of them are young people, dreamers, engineers, doctors, and teachers, people who once believed in the American dream. But when housing prices are sky high, when a hospital bill can bankrupt a family, when the sound of unrest is louder than children's laughter, many are starting to ask, why should I pay a premium to live somewhere that's making life harder? And so, millions are voting with their passports. From the tranquil beaches of Costa Rica to the cobblestone streets of Lisbon, they're redefining the American dream, not as living in America, but as living the life America once promised. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 countries Americans are moving to in 2025, not just to live more affordably, but to truly live. 1. Portugal, the gentle rebirth of the dream. There's a quiet revolution happening along the Atlantic coast. Portugal has become the #1 country Americans want to move to, according to a 2025 CNBC survey. And the numbers tell the story. A coffee that costs $7 in New York is barely $2 in Lisbon. The rent for a tiny apartment in San Francisco could cover a full month's living expenses here, with money left over for fresh seafood and weekend getaways. Healthcare, a major heart surgery that might cost $100,000 in the US, can be done here for a fraction of that. With a passive income of just $1,200 to $1,500 per month, Americans can apply for the D7 visa and live legally and comfortably. But it's not just about affordability. It's about the relief of not waking up to another medical bill, the joy of seeing your child attend college debt-free, and the peace of finally owning a home without selling your soul to the bank. In Portugal, freedom isn't defined by how much you earn, but by how little you have to worry. Here, the American dream doesn't die. It just changes its address. 2. Spain, where life slows down. If Portugal is where Americans find peace, Spain is where they relearn how to live. When was the last time you had lunch without rushing, or spent an afternoon doing absolutely nothing? In Spain, these aren't luxuries. They're part of life. Here, work serves life, not the other way around. That's why Spain ranks second among the countries Americans most want to move to in 2025. With roughly $2,000 a month, you can live comfortably in a major city. Higher education is nearly free, and healthcare is top tier. In America, vacation is a luxury. In Spain, not taking one is a violation of labor law. Lunch is a 2-hour ritual, not a desk sandwich. The real attraction isn't cost, it's emotion. In Spain, people don't just survive, they savor. Every afternoon feels like a mini vacation. 3. Canada, the Kinder America. For those who want to stay close to home, Canada offers the upgraded version of the American dream. Here, a hospital visit costs less than a hockey ticket. Over 1.2 million Americans have already moved north, the largest migration to any developed nation. In Canada, healthcare doesn't ask if you're insured, college doesn't bury you in debt. And if you lose your job, you're met with support, not indifference. The express entry system makes it easier for skilled workers and remote professionals to get permanent residency. But the true difference is emotional. The feeling of safety when your child goes to school without rehearsing lockdown drills. The relief of knowing illness isn't a financial death sentence. A Canadian once said, "We're just like Americans, only less worried." Maybe that's exactly what millions are searching for, a gentler version of home. 4. Costa Rica, the simple joy of pure life. Just a few hours from US soil lies a country that teaches Americans something profound. Happiness doesn't have to be earned. Costa Rica has no army, no pharmaceutical giants dictating drug prices. What it does have is 98% renewable energy, lush forests, and neighbors who greet each other every morning. Over 120,000 Americans have moved here. Not to get rich, but to reclaim what consumerism stole: time, health, and human connection. With about $2,000 a month, you can live by the beach, eat fresh fruit daily, and enjoy a longer, healthier life. The World Happiness Index consistently ranks Costa Rica among the top 5 happiest countries on Earth, ahead of the US. 5. Italy, the art of living slowly. In the US, speed is celebrated. In Italy, it's resisted. Italians work to live, not live to work. and Americans are beginning to understand why. The cost of living in Italy is 30 to 50% lower than in the States, especially in rural areas. Some towns even offer homes for just €1 to attract new residents. But the true beauty of Italy isn't financial, it's philosophical. Dinner isn't rushed, it's sacred. Neighbors know each other, and joy isn't postponed until retirement. 6. Mexico, America 2.0. If you prefer something familiar yet more affordable, look south. Mexico is often called America 2.0. The same language, same culture, but at half the cost. Nearly 800,000 Americans now call Mexico home, more than in any other country. In Los Angeles, $3,000 gets you a tiny apartment. In Playa del Carmen, it gets you an oceanfront condo with a pool. The cost of living can be up to 60% lower than in the US, and a retired couple can live comfortably on about $1,500 a month. The pace is calmer, the people warmer, and the stress lighter. 7. Japan, the perfection of order. Americans grow up hearing that freedom is the highest value, yet more of them are moving to a country where order, not chaos, defines daily life. Japan. In Tokyo, no one honks impatiently. No one cuts in line. And yes, if you leave your phone on the train, it'll likely still be there hours later. Japan's healthcare is world-class and affordable. Jobs are plentiful, and crime is remarkably low. An expat once joked, "In America, I lock 3 doors and pray. In Japan, I leave my car running, and it's still there the next morning." 8. France, the return of balance. In the US, the middle class is disappearing. Working 60-hour weeks is a necessity, not a choice. But in France, balance isn't a dream, it's the law. The average work week is 35 hours. Everyone gets at least 5 weeks of paid vacation. Healthcare is universal. Education is almost free. Here, people don't brag about working overtime. They brag about where they're vacationing next. One American expat put it simply, "In the US, I needed 6 figures just to live an average life. In France, I live averagely, but well." 9. Thailand, paradise on a budget. For those seeking something completely different, Thailand offers a tropical life for a fraction of the cost. With just $1,500 a month, you can live in comfort, enjoying modern healthcare, street food dinners, and weekend trips to breathtaking islands. Bangkok buzzes with opportunity for digital nomads, while Chiang Mai attracts retirees with its calm and affordability. 10. New Zealand, peace at the edge of the world. If your version of freedom is peace, few places rival New Zealand. Here, nature dominates. Endless coastlines, clean air, and an easygoing culture that values balance over burnout. Healthcare is subsidized, crime is low, and society feels more cooperative than competitive. It's no wonder remote workers, young families, and retirees are drawn here. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights about how societies around the world are redefining what it means to truly live.